What's up, everybody? I'm Scott, and today we're looking at my closet, and we're going to talk about these nice wooden hangers right now. Now, let me tell you why you need to order more than just one pack of these wooden hangers, because as you can see, all those plastic hangers on those are all my clothes, okay? And I bought these wooden hangers for myself. And let me tell you where I do not have any wooden hangers on my clothes. As you can see, though, yes, you guys are getting the drift. Yes, she took all of the wooden hangers. So I had to buy another pair, but whatever. Just load up on these things. They're absolutely fantastic. You can see the quality here. Guys, oh yes. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful wooden hangers. They look absolutely fantastic. Perfect size. Absolutely great quality. I'm telling you right now, do not just buy one. Buy two, buy three, buy however many you need. You'll never want to use one of these plastic ones again because these are beautiful. As I digress, I am going to order some more right now. So thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day and take care.